All right, today we're going to take a look at this portable speaker. This is a multifunctional portable speaker. The company did send this over and compensate me to make this video. And this thing is going to make an amazing gift, either a Christmas gift, birthday gift. It's multifunctional once again. So it's Bluetooth, you have a CD, you have an FM radio on here. You can run it line into your computer or USB, a lot of different options. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at it and then I'll demo it for you a little bit. So first of all, this is the front of it. So this is where the DVD go, or the CD goes rather. And then on the side here, this is where you can plug in headphones or auxiliary output. There's USB. This is where the power goes and power on and off. Rotated around. That's what the back looks like underneath. Nice little feet there, so you can set it down on your desk or your end table. And then up top is where you have your different buttons for different modes. So you can see radio. You just heard radio. Got line in. I have CD mode. I have Bluetooth mode. And once again, so that's how you toggle through on here. And you can kind of hear it giving you a little chime to let you know what you're on there. And then you can also plus and minus, so volume up and down, and then your play, pause, fast forward. But not only can you control from here, but it also has a remote that you can control it from as well. So if you have this at a distance, you can scan for FM channels, you can put on whatever channel you want and toggle through different songs and modes and auxiliary, put a timer on it so it auto shuts off at a certain time. It does come with the charge cable. So this is a USB-A to USB-C cable, and this just plugs in and charges, and then you have several hours. I think it's 10 plus hours of usage or something of that nature without Bluetooth. So if it's Bluetooth, it's a little less. But anyway, so yeah, and it takes about 6 hours to charge. And it came with a little bit of charge out of the box. Also, it has the instruction manual, and then it does have the 3.5 millimeter cable, the stereo cable, so you can run the auxiliary in or out from there as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a CD of a friend of mine just to show you how that works. So it puts in, it's going to start reading it. It's got this nice LCD screen here to tell you, and then it should just start playing now. Here's volume up and down. So there you go. And this actually has some really good sound to it. I was pretty impressed by that. It's kind of hard to show the quality of the sound through my microphone, but it is really good quality sound. And then I'm going to jump over and hit mode, and then I'm going to go into Bluetooth. And then even from Bluetooth, this is connected to my computer, and I can play music and control it
for those who are
right
interested in this portable
right from that. So it's pretty cool. So let me go ahead and play this so you can hear that, and I can turn it up. So there you go. So that is, and I can pause it, I can play it, I can skip to the next track. I'll keep skipping tracks. There we go. So yeah, really good quality, and I don't have a connection from my phone to show you the auxiliary port, but once again, it's just right there. So super easy to use, very portable, not very big at all. So if you're looking to travel with this or take it on the road or something like that, this is kind of the size comparison, if you will, to my iPhone 14 Pro. So not too bad, and then also the thickness of it is not very thick at all. So you can actually take that with you. So if you're looking for a CD player, Bluetooth speaker, radio, it's all built into here, and you can take this with you and have music wherever you want it. So hopefully this video helps, and once again, great gift idea, especially for the holiday season.